Bad weather? Most people flee from it. But take a look around me. When the weather turns bad, many places become magical to the photographer. Hey everybody, I'm Jason Yoder and welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss with all of you why you should take your camera out into the elements when the weather is nasty. Take a look at this. Here is a snowy afternoon on Whidbey Island. It is absolutely freezing out, but look how this otherwise so-so looking lake is transformed into a winter wonderland when it snows. The difference between taking a picture and capturing an image that your friends will be jealous of is like the difference between dirt and diamonds. Dirt is plentiful and has very little value. Diamonds are rare and therefore have value. Inclement weather are the diamond moments for photography. This is how the North Woods look like most of the time. This is what it looks like during a rare weather event. I went out into the snow while it was still falling. It doesn't take long for the wind to knock the snow off of the trees, so I wanted to be ready to capture the snow still clinging to the branches. A few hours later, all the snow was on the ground. Here's an image from Monument Valley. This is how most people see it. Now, don't get me wrong, this place is beautiful and I enjoy any opportunity to go there. But here's the same vantage point, but right after it snowed. Snow doesn't last long here. This is a rare diamond moment. The same can be said for rain or a cloudy day. Here is an image of Crazy Horse Memorial in the Black Hills. Most people see it in the day. Some see it during the laser show in the evenings. I got to capture it at night during the laser show with a thunderstorm behind it. Not only do you see the mountain and the colors of the lasers against it, but that bolt of lightning behind Crazy Horse lighting up the sky. True, it can be a bit rough on both you and your equipment to head out into the storm. It can be so cold as to make waterfalls freeze. A simple fog can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. The lesson to be learned here is not to be afraid of bad weather. Inclement weather is the missing link. It is the key. It is the element that you need to make your photography stand out. Just make sure that you're always prepared for the environment that you're going into. You want to be safe, protect your equipment, and never exceed the limitations of your vehicles. Before you go, I want to thank my supporters like Visual Stimulant VS, Above Animations, and Godinez Millonarios. I would also like to invite you to check out my bonus content on patreon.com/EWJ. My channel is about my photography and the adventures that I have getting my images. Please click the subscribe button and follow along with me as I explore our world. Until next time, take care.